Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketfunding.com. It is 5:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 8:10 a.m. Eastern Time. We are at 8/17 of 2010 is the date. What we are going to show is that potash is gapping up to 145. And they had a buyout rumor or offer that people feel is too small. So on you've got the original buyout was $130, okay, and BHP Billiton is the one who's trying to buy them for that share price, and Potash feels that that's a ridiculous share price, okay. And we believe it's critical for our shareholders to be aware of this aggressive attempt to acquire their company for significantly less than its intrinsic value. Okay? So basically, potash is not going to sell that, and you're getting other gaps in other fertilizers such as Mosaic, IPI, AGU, CF, MON, Monsanto, in sympathy. Okay, and all in pre-market. So that's also contributing to the futures gap, which we'll do in a separate video as what the futures are doing and why they're doing what they're doing. And so here is the buyout, $130 a share. Here is the bid and the ask. So they're $15 above, and they've just been walking this up. You know, what's quite ironic is how these things come in options expiration week. So basically, we are going to have a nice gap. Here's a 60-minute chart to go along with it. We can put the fact that the last tops were up here at 128. And we're gapping well above that. So basically, on a daily chart, which is more significant because it's going to go back in time, we all know in the great potash days what it was like when we were shorting the thing all the way down off of these highs. So that was back in 08 when we were doing those trades. That didn't have anything to do with today. But let's take a look at where the gap is. I'm going to draw a trend line. So we're 145.94. And that's going to be about right in here. This is where that is going to be. 145.97. And you're printing right now at 145.75. That's where that trend line is on a daily chart. Just remember, a rumor, or not a rumor, but the allegedly buyout at 130, they're turning that down, but they're gapping this thing $15 above that price. So we are going to take advantage of when it puts in the top. We'll sell short quick, let it drop $2 or $3 down, because what gaps real high, it's just in the very beginning. And that's what we're going to look at, is where these trend lines are and just how high they keep walking this futures market and pre-market, and how they're going to continue to walk that up there. Once it walks up there, the first sign of weakness, we're moving in and putting a quick short on it, take some profits out of that gap like we always do. Potash.